Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at hair loss or alopecia.
Hair loss or alopecia can affect just the scalp or the entire body. It may be temporary or permanent. It can result from genetics, medical conditions, aging, or hormonal shifts.
So the hormones changes and the thinning in the crown of the head starts. So that's one of the problem. And then we have the genetic thinning in male pattern hair loss, where the men will go bald. Some will start from age 17, some will develop at age 22, and gradually, lose the hair, and that leads to baldness.
It's normal to lose between 50 and 100 hairs each day, and this often goes unnoticed because new hair grows in to replace the lost strands. Hair loss happens when the growth of new hair doesn't keep up with the shredding.
Even the wigs that we are wearing now, you can end up with friction on the forehead around the frontal hairlines that can lead to hair loss, because you know how they glue the hair down, and when they're removing it, those hair is pulled out with the wig sometimes, so that can cause kind of shedding. Then you have frontal fibrosis. You have a condition where the hair recedes to halfway in the crown.
A physical examination like a blood test is usually done to confirm the diagnosis. Treatments are also available for certain types of hair loss.
Say, for example, this lady who is now experiencing hair loss, she has to be on medication, but we can treat her in terms of slowing down the shedding process. Because the hair comes out and she will say, I'm having this hair and it comes out all over the place and all of that. We have to now work with her. So we go in with treatments. But we normally refer them to the doctors. Blood tests will show it.
And before you start any treatment, please speak with your medical doctor to explore the various causes and treatment options. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.